Welcome to the vegan method. Today I'm making beetroot and chili tofu. So what I'm using for this is some extra firm tofu. I'm just going to chop it up into little cubes. Then I will get an empty beetroot tub, which I've just taken the juice out, and put the tofu in the jar. Then I put the beetroot back in the jar and put the lid back on and let it soak for a couple of hours. As you can see, the tofu soaked up all the beetroot juice and is pretty in pink, and the next thing to do is add it to some corn flour and to some chili powder in a takeaway tub, put the lid on and shake it until it's fully covered. In a preheated pan with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, I've then added in the tofu and I'm just going to turn it until it's all crispy, and then it is finished. As you can see, it's pretty vibrant from the beetroot juice. The flavours are also quite nice. There's some sugar coming through from the juice and there's a heat coming through from the chili powder, and then with the corn flour it's made it crispy on the outside and it's remained soft in the middle. And as you can see, it looks great in a butter bowl. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe or leave your comments below.